Welcome back, it's me Adam and you're watching Unlimited Options Investing. In this video, we are going to be talking about the top companies reporting their earnings this upcoming week, August 1st, 2022. Let's get started. Alright, so starting off on Monday after the close, we have Pinterest and we have Activision Blizzard. So Pinterest is now a $19 stock, and I remember the last time this was $20 was back in June or so of 2020, and then it had a meteoric rise up until 2021, where we reached about $85 to about $90 in that range. And since those highs back in 2021, we are down a cool 77%. Activision Blizzard, we know that Microsoft purchased for just under $69 billion. There will obviously be regulation hurdles along the way. The deal may not even close, but if it does, as the deal was set at $68.8 billion and the market cap is currently at $62.51, so somewhere between the $85 to $90 range. And if it doesn't close, then who knows how low it could go. They do have a bunch of different scandals going on, so the purchase from Microsoft would definitely help from a PR standpoint. If the deal does close, you could imagine the kind of things that Microsoft will do. On Tuesday before the open, we have Uber, we have Caterpillar, JetBlue, as well we have the Canadian airline Air Canada. So looking first at Uber, it is currently a $23 stock. I remember when I first got on the market back in 2020, it was around these levels. They go up to about $60, and since then we are down a cool 60%. Caterpillar just under $200 over the past 5 years. We have been hovering around these levels for the past couple of years, or the past year and a half. And you're not going to hear this from just my channel, but usually with Caterpillar, you get a good idea of how the economy is doing, as it can really give you good clues as to commodity prices, how things are going in China. So they definitely give you some good insight. JetBlue now trading at $8.42. And since they tried to acquire Spirit Airlines, the stock has just gone down. And Air Canada over the past year or so is down 28% or 30%. And I know in Canada right now, I have a bunch of friends that work for Air Canada. I'm sorry guys, but the company is a complete mess right now. Just the amount of debt, just how crazy the airlines and the demand for things are at Toronto Pearson. It's just a disaster with the lost luggage, and just Air Canada will have brighter days. It just, those brighter days aren't going to happen for quite a while, in my opinion, at least not in the near term. And after the close, we have AMD, PayPal, SoFi, AIRBNB, and Starbucks. AMD is a stock that I do currently own at $94. Over the past 5 years, we have returned 620%, and a year to date, we are down 37.12%, hitting a high back in November of 2021, and since that high, we are down 41%. However, in the past few weeks, we are up 25%. PayPal, over the past 5 years, this one reached highs of just under $300, or actually just over $300, down 71% for a large cap, market cap of $100 billion. However, over the past 1 month, it is up 21%, so we could see a potential turnaround play, especially with such a fall from grace, down 55% year to date. SoFi, this one used to be a risk on darling, you could say. It did reach highs, let's say, of about $25. Since then, we are down 75% at a market cap of $5.78 billion. And AIRBNB, this one IPOing at the end of 2020, and it is down 20% since its IPO. Starbucks year to date is down 27.34%, but yielding a dividend of 2.31% annually, and over the past 5 years has returned 52.92%. An all-time almost 25,000%. I like Starbucks. I don't own any right now, and I'll probably in the future wish I owned some, but I like the companies that I own in my positions at the moment. But Starbucks is just a company I like for some reason. They're just going to continue growing. The dividend's there. They're going to grow the dividend. They're going to be, I don't know. I'm going to regret not buying Starbucks one day, in my opinion. Wednesday before open, we have Moderna, and this one last year, oh my god. This was a $500 stock last August. $484 to now we are down 66%. And just over the past 5 years, with all the vaccine stuff, you see the euphoria and you see the bubble popping. That's absolutely crazy. You see returns of over 2,000% and that bubble popping. Oh man, that's crazy. After the close, we have names like Lucid, Robinhood, and Mercado Libre. Again, all these stocks are all down. Lucid, year to date, is down 55%. Mercado Libre down 38.95%. And Robinhood all time down 75% since its IPO. Oh man, Vladimir. And on Thursday to end the week, we have Alibaba, AMC, and DraftKings. Alibaba, this one has seen brighter days, of course. We had that high during 2020, just over $300, to where we are now, 71%. Again, if this wasn't a Chinese name and all the potential risks of a Chinese listing, and if you held the actual shares instead of receipts of a share, Alibaba is definitely undervalued, but it comes with its own risks. I don't trust anything China. AMC, $14.56. I remember back in the day when this, oh man, I wish this, I want to see this happen again. I want to see the euphoria in the market. I miss that, you know? And DraftKings, which was also a darling of the pandemic, which had highs of what, let's say $70 or so, down 80%. And DraftKings, very similar to Starbucks, even though they're much different stocks. Again, I get that feeling though that it'll do very well in the future, and I can't afford it considering the positions I have right now, but maybe down the line, similar to Starbucks, but again, not right now. Alright, and that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, check out my links below for links to my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. And let me know what you guys think of earnings this upcoming week, and I'll see you in my next video.